In this tutorial, I will show you bar graph tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. You can access bar graph tool from here, just right click, and this is bar graph tool. After accessing this tool, just draw an area and the data input box has been opened, and also Illustrator will display the bar graph. So first of all, I am deleting it. Now I am creating 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is also 4, 5, 6, 7, and also here is 0, here is 1. So I am accepting it, and you can see that this is the bar graph tool. In this is value axis in the horizontal line and category axis in the vertical line. In this way you can draw bar graph in Illustrator. So other features are same as like column graph and stack column graph tool. It is same. I hope you will check these tutorials in my channel. So however, I am briefly describe also here. This is import data option. You can import data from your PC or laptop. This is transpose row or column. You can transpose row to column or column to row. Also this is cell style. You can make it decimal 0 and column with whatever you use, and this is apply button. You need to apply here. So I am applying here, and when you selecting the graph, right clicking here, and you can access type tool. Here is type tool. Now this is bar graph tool. This is on top side, value axis on top side. You can see this is by default it is bottom side, but you can make it top side. So I am okaying it, and you can see this is now in the top side. Again accessing it, also adding drop shadow. So I am adding drop shadow, and you can see here is the drop shadow. In this way you can manipulate the graph. Also here is bar width and cluster width. Also this is value axis. You can change the data. You can also add prefix, suffix, and this is category axis. This is length short or full as you wish. This is short length. You can see by this you can change your graph. Also you can access data. After you can see I am unchecked it, and now again selecting it, and I can easily modify any data. I am making it 8 and accepting it, and you can see this data has been updated. Also you can access from object. Here is graph, and here is the options. And if you want to colorize it, just access direct selection tool here and make it. You can see you select this and you select this and change this color. Here is the color. So this is the color. In this way you can change this color. I'm making it red. First of all, I would like to turn off the stroke option. Now I am accessing this and clicking here and clicking here. This will be RGB. Now this is RGB. I like to change it to color. This is RGB and make it blue. Also this is RGB and I make it separate image color. Also you can see you can modify this font. I'm holding down shift. I'm holding down shift to select all. Now you can select any font such as anybody. You can change the font size from here. So I hope also you can change the drop shadow color from here. You can change the drop shadow color also from here. So in this way you can customize bar graph tool in Adobe Illustrator. So if you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep reading.